Well, this one's ridiculous. I'm trying to install one of the Chrome extensions I use to streamline my consciousness into a development and into a productive mindset. And Chrome says I already have it installed. Maybe I do. Let's see. Uh, uh, ew. Not? Huh. Okay. So, reload. They asked me to reload, so I reload. Yay! Add to Chrome. Wait, what? Again? Most likely there will be a solution that involves clearing cache. And why does it have to be like that? Uh, maybe if they tell you here, there will be a user experience, a glitched user experience, but no, it is a failed user experience because I have to Google and stuff like what is going on. If I was just your regular user, I would have to like learn a lot about browsers. Wait, why? Why do you need users to learn about browsers? Maybe if I Command Shift reload, did that clear the cache? I don't know. You bet some users will find that solution and no, doesn't work. So I will have to go to settings, maybe settings, and blah, I don't know. Where is it? They change this every once in a while. So other cache clear browsing data, maybe the last hour. Yeah, clear. Okay, got it. Add Chrome, reload. I don't know. Will this fix the situation? Will it Chrome? Will this be fixed? This is frustrating, not to say something worse. So I'm gonna stop this video here. Look, I have too many tabs, do you see? I'm gonna stop this video now and see if there is any way possible in hell to fix this.